Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now let us look at this polynomial question. Now find the remainder when f of x equals 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 2x plus 5 is divided by x minus 3. Alright, so how do we go about it? Now what this simply means that we need to, that this term here is a factor to this function, polynomial function, but there is a remainder. Okay, now so what we just need to do is, first of all, we have to equate this to 0. Okay, so when we add 3 to both sides, we have that x equals 3. So what we now need to do now is, see if f of x equals this, then let us now find f of 3. So here we have that f of 3 will now be, wherever we see x, we replace it with what? With 3. So here we have 4 times 3 raised to the power of 3. Okay, now plus 3 times 3 raised to the power of 2. Now minus 2 times 3, then plus 5. Okay, so here we have, this is 4 times 27, because 3 raised to 3 is 27, then plus 3 times 9, because 3 raised to 2 is 9, then minus 6, then plus 5. 2 times 3 here will give us what? 6. So the next thing we need to do, 4 times 27, 54 plus 54, that should give us 108. So here you have 108. Then plus 3 times 9, that should give us 27. Then minus, let's do something here, minus 6 plus 5, that will give us minus 1. Okay, so let us do this again, 108, then plus 26. That's 1 minus 1, 27 minus 1. So, and our final answer here, when we add this together, this should be 134. Okay, so when this term is divided by this will be the remainder. If you love what I've just done, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please, we'll be meeting in the next class. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.